Another quick note, ice and water was installed throughout the valleys, over the dormers, any valley space, and then also at the eaves. And as you can see, it's that real stubborn, sticky ice and water that took very nicely. So it's going to be impossible to scrape that off, right? It's a peel and stick product, and when it's put on correctly, it's going to stick and stay stuck. That's actually an added benefit. You can see these guys down at the bottom really going at it at the eaves to make sure that it's cleaned up as much as it can be. But the fact of the matter is, most of that peel and stick product is not going to come off. And we have 6 rolls of ice and water to install throughout all of the eaves and all of the valleys. So in conjunction with what is already been installed and stuck, we just have to make sure that we clean the shingles off the top side of that very well, and that's happening right now. But it's going to be an added layer of protection. This home will never leak in the valleys or down at the eaves, because you're going to essentially have 2 layers of ice and water, and then a starter shingle at the eaves, and then your regular shingle. So it's going to be multiple layers of asphalt product material. And it's a little bit stubborn. As you can see, these guys are really having to go at it to get the shingles cleaned off of it. But this entire strip here of ice and water, that's not going to remove. That's going to stay there, and then it's going to get covered with a second layer of ice and water. And trust me, it's going to be like bulletproof as far as penetration. No water will ever leak through these valleys or the eaves on any part of this property. Good news.